is a voodoo thing.
Maybe
I know shit.
Girl, you don't see Mugu. Tell me what you do. Why you do me voodoo? Loving you straight to the moon. Baby boo boo. Tell me what I do.
What's up, you guys? It's your girl Natural BP here, and I'm back with another video. So guys, for today's video, I'll be giving you guys a review on this wig right here. Okay, so first things first, this wig was sent to me by the vendor Beauty Forever Hair. This is from their Amazon store. Okay, so this is from their Amazon store. This is the box that it came in. And all that came in the packaging was just the hair and these lashes right here. So I'm not gonna sit here and ramble too much because I want to show you guys me installing the wig and all of that. So I'm just gonna run through it real quick. First things first, this wig is very beginner friendly. I haven't bleached the knots and I didn't have to pluck it or anything. I just used my regular method, which you guys are going to see soon. And that's basically all I did to install the wig. The wig doesn't shed. The wig does not shed. The hair is really soft. It takes flat ironing really good. I ran the flat iron through it real quick. It wasn't even like 20 minutes of flat ironing. I just ran the flat iron through it, and as you can see, this is what it's looking like, right? So the color is so popping, y'all. The color is so bomb. This color is super cute. I really like the color, right? And I feel like this is something completely different. If I wasn't doing YouTube, I probably would never try a wig like this. So I'm really glad that I got to try this because this wig is popping. So yeah, guys, that's basically all on this wig. The unit is very easy to put on. If you're a beginner, this wig would be perfect for you. So don't hesitate to check in the description to get all the tea on this wig. So I will leave the link and everything in the description below, so please check the description. And yeah, guys, so if you're interested in seeing me install this unit and how I got it to be all laid and stuff, without being a pro and without bleaching it and all of that, then please continue watching. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you won't miss when I post a new video. And I will see you guys in my next video.
So I've been falling for a long time now. I'ma need a parachute. Hell yeah, jump in my ride. Pose for the vibe. Yeah, let's go missing for the night. Keep the bullshit to the side, keep the bullshit to the side. Oh my God, I want you to be mine and you know it. My baby got the vibe and she knows it. I want you by my side and you know it. Baby, just give me the compound. When I give her, she lick it like tom-tom. I got a sauce, she wants some. Let me take it from LA to London. Cause girl, I'm not scared to lose. And girl, you got to choose. Say I've been falling for a long time now. I'ma need a parachute. I'm not scared to lose. And girl, you got to choose. Say I've been falling for a long time now. I'ma need a parachute. 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 Jeez. Anytime try to come close, baby girl, you move. Slow sipping, why you put me on a cruise? Girl, I'm tryna lose, I'm losing focus. Body flow like a ocean, yeah. Hey baby, please, do me the things that will make my one go crazy. Oh baby, please, show me the love that will make my one go crazy. baby girl, I'm here for you. Baby girl, I'm here for you. I'm not scared to lose. And girl, you know you got to choose. Say I've been falling for a long time now. I'ma need a parachute. I'm not scared to lose. And girl, you know you got to choose. Say I've been falling for a long time now. I'ma need a parachute. A parachute. A parachute. A parachute. A para. A para. A parachute. A parachute. A parachute. A para. A para. A parachute. Say I've been falling for a long time now. I'ma need a parachute. Hell yeah, jump in my ride. Pose for the vibe. Yeah, let's go missing for the night. Keep the bullshit to the side, keep the bullshit to the side. Oh my God, I want you to be mine and you know it. My baby got the vibe and she knows it. I want you by my side and you know it. Baby, just give me the compound. When I give her, she lick it like tonton. I got a sauce, she wants some. Let me take it from LA to London. Cause girl, I'm not scared to lose. And girl, you know you got to choose. Say I've been falling for a long time now. I'ma need a parachute. I'm not scared to lose. And girl, you know you got to choose. Say I've been falling for a long time now. I'ma need a parachute. A parachute. A parachute. A parachute. A para. A para. A parachute. A parachute. A parachute. A para. A para. A parachute. Jeez. Anytime try to come close, baby girl, you move. Slow sipping, why you put me on a cruise? Girl, I'm tryna lose, I'm losing focus. Body flow like a ocean, yeah. Hey baby, please, do me the things that will make my one go crazy. Oh baby, please, show me the love that will make my one go crazy. Everything you need is here for you. Say baby girl, I'm here for you. Baby girl, I'm here for you.